When an Electrolux dryer displays an EF3 error code, it indicates that the maximum drying time has been reached, yet the load remains wet. This error is often caused by a damaged moisture sensor, a blocked vent, or a dirty lint screen. To resolve the issue, start by checking the moisture sensor, located at the back wall of the dryer drum. Cleaning the sensor with an alcohol wipe a few times may resolve the problem. Test the sensor by using the auto dry mode with a wet cloth. If the error persists, replacement of the part may be necessary. Additionally, unclogging the exhaust vent can help. To do this, unplug the dryer, disconnect the vent pipe, and use a vacuum to remove any lint buildup in the tube. A pipe brush can be used to remove any remaining residue before reattaching the dryer tube. Cleaning the lint trap is also essential. Begin by turning off and unplugging the dryer. Then locate the lint screen in the door. Use warm water and an old toothbrush to remove any fabric softener chemicals that may be accumulated on the trap. By following these steps, the EF3 error code on an Electrolux dryer can be effectively fixed.